Hello. Today we have 3 little puzzles. In each one, we need to find the secret number x. Let's do them one by one, nice and slow. Let's start with the first problem. We see 12 times x plus 30 equals -6. Our job is to get x all alone on one side. First, let's take away 30 from both sides. We do the same thing to both sides so the equation stays fair and balanced. On the left side, 30 take away 30 is 0, so we just have 12x. On the right side, -6 take away 30 gives us -36. Now 12 is stuck to x by times. To get rid of it, we split both sides into 12 equal parts. 12 split into 12 is 1, so we get just x. And -36 split into 12 equal parts is -3. Our answer is x equals -3. Here is the number line. We put a big dot at -3 to show where our answer lies. See? It is 3 steps to the left of 0. Great job! Now let's look at the second problem. We have x split into 3 equal parts, plus 6, equals -12. First, let's take away 6 from both sides to move that 6 away from x. On the left, 6 take away 6 is 0. On the right, -12 take away 6 gives us -18. Now we have x over 3 equals -18. X is being split into 3 parts right now. To undo that, we times both sides by 3. That puts x back together. X over 3 times 3 is just x. And -18 times 3 is -54. So x equals -54. On the number line, we put a big dot at -54. That is far to the left of 0 because it is a big negative number. Now for the last one. This one has fractions, but don't worry. We see x over 2, take away 3x over 4, equals 1 over 12. The bottom numbers are 2, 4, and 12. The smallest number that all 3 go into is 12. That is our magic number. Now we times every single piece by 12. This will make all the fractions go away. Watch the magic happen. 12 split by 2 is 6, so the first piece becomes 6x. 12 split by 4 is 3, and 3 times 3x is 9x. And 12 times 1 over 12 is just 1. No more fractions. 6x take away 9x is -3x. Think of it like having 6 apples and giving away 9, you owe 3 apples. So we get -3x equals 1. To get x alone, we split both sides by -3. -3 is stuck to x, so splitting by -3 sets x free. -3x split by -3 gives us just x. And 1 split by -3 is -1/3. Our answer is x equals -1/3. On the number line, -1/3 is between -1 and 0, a tiny bit to the left of 0. We put our dot right there. Amazing work! Here are all 3 answers together. We found every secret number and showed each one on a number line. You did a wonderful job today.